Welcome everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are talking about how you can use live tiles in Windows 11. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, open the search bar and search here Microsoft Store. Okay, Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and search here live tiles. Okay, when you search here live tiles, you can see the first live tiles anywhere. Okay, click on it and install it. Okay, so click on get. Okay, and now open the live tiles anywhere. Okay, now you can see we have opened the live titles. Okay, apps, so you can see the all apps. It means how many apps I have already installed. So the related live tiles here are available. Okay, just like a team, Microsoft 360. Okay, there are many more. Okay, so you can dedicated selected the, or you can click on custom title. Okay, tiles. So just so I want to see that suppose that we are talk about Outlook. Okay, so we can use Outlook and open and run. Okay, so you can run from here, and there are many things you can do, just like create a customized copy. Now you can see I have created a live title here. Okay, so this is kind of thing you can do. Okay, close. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.